All right, welcome back to Dirty Dave's Garage. If you've been following along, we've been doing some mods to our new Gen 4 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. Just put the running boards on. If you'd like those, check out the video for those. But now we're getting ready to install some hood struts. As you know, most Toyotas come with the little manual prop you got to pop out and lift your hood if you're getting under the hood to check anything and prop it up. But they make these kits where you can install these hydraulic struts on both sides. We're going to do that so that we don't have to fool with that thing. We can just lift the thing up and it'll pop up when we open it and it'll hold it up for us. So stay tuned. We're going to get the camera set up so you can watch along, and we'll see what happens. Oh, by the way, if you see these popping up on Facebook, you know, these struts, I've seen them pop up. They're like 50 bucks. I got these off Amazon for like $15 or $20. So always check Amazon first, and I'll put a link to all this stuff in the description if you guys want to grab a pair. So hang tight. Okay, to start, we're going to be removing the top hood release bolt or hood latch bolt. The 12 millimeter. Using our handy Shield Pro electric ratchet. Check my other video out on this one. Comes in really handy. You want to grab the left-hand bracket out of your kit. Should be this one. And there are pictures in the instructions to help you figure out which one's which. Lined up as best you can. Make sure it's good and snug. Same thing to the other side. I'll get that one and be right back. Now that you got both of your brackets installed on your hood hinge, next step is installing these brackets. You got a left and a right. This one has an extra little extension on it. That's the passenger side. The plain one is the driver's side. And on my model truck, there's actually a hole. Get the phone off so I could show you. There's a hole down here. Right above that bolt down there, there's a hole that bracket will attach to, and they do give you bolts for that in the kit. So let me get that out, and I'll show you what it looks like once it's bolted up. That's what the right side, passenger side, should look like. That little tab actually goes in the slot that's in the metal back there. That's what that little tab was for. Then we're going to do the left side or the driver's side. For the driver's side, on my truck, We're going to use this bolt here by the brake lines. You're going to need a open end 12 mil to get in there. I already loosened mine up so I can get it out, but we'll put that bracket in there. Put that in and show you. All right, so we got the driver's side installed behind those brake lines there. Pretty simple, but I'll be honest, a ratcheting open end wrench, similar to that with a ratcheting end on it, is a big time saver. I'll put a link to some of those in the description as well if you don't have any. That one's a 12 mil. But let me get the phone back up on the stand and we'll go ahead and hook up the struts and see what they do. All right, last step is attaching the struts themselves. These struts have little C clamps in them. So when you put it on, you kind of want to rock it onto the ball. It should just snap on, just wiggle it on. Key word being should. There we go. This end, I may have to lift up on the hood a little bit. Same thing. Just move it around. All right. Got that side on. Let's go to the other side. Same deal. All right, so we got her on. Just needed two hands to maneuver the hood back and forth a little while I rocked it on. But that's what's holding the hood up right now. So we're going to close it and reopen it, see how they feel. Oh, look at that. That's sweet. And it actually opens it a little more than the strut does. Gives you a couple more inches of clearance. So that's probably one of the best upgrades I've ever done for 15, 20 bucks. If you guys like them, want to get yourself a pair, like I said, I'll put the link in the description. I'll put the link to these tools too that you can add to your collection, because tools equal money. The more tools you have, the more money you can save, and they just make your life a little bit easier. So hopefully you all enjoyed this. Leave any comments if you've used these, if you like them or not. And thanks again for watching Dirty Dave's Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe.